What's up, YouTube? Bismathy here once again with another video. And in today's video, we'll be discussing how to contact suppliers on AliExpress, what type of message should you send to them, and like a number one way to find winning products. Now, before we go on, be sure to subscribe, comment down below, and like this video. Alright, so I'm right here on AliExpress. This is a well-known supplier. I don't know if you guys ever been here, but like this person always sells a bunch of stuff, bracelets, and a very popular bracelet are these anchor bracelets. You know, it has good picture, someone is wearing it, nice background. You know, you could target the boat niche, you can target spirituality, you can target woman niche, you could target so many people with this anchor. You know, try to make a phrase with anchor, you know, look up the best quotes with anchor, and yeah, you can go from there. Now let me just see if someone is drop shipping this. So I'm going to go over here and click orders, and it looks like different people are buying it, so someone may not be drop shipping it. Alright, so how do you contact suppliers? So there's one way. You can either go from the top right here and just click contact now to start messaging, or if you're scrolling down, you're looking at the product, you can go right here where it says contact now. So click contact now to send an inquiry direct to the supplier's message center. Okay, so we'll just click here. Alright, you all, so right here in the message board, and you know, this is to the person, and this is going to show up on your message. So when you're trying to message the supplier, what should you say? You know, first of all, you're going to ask, number one, for any quantity discounts if you're selling tons of these bracelets, and then number two, new products or complementary products to that product. So it'll go something like this: hey, love your products, love your products. You know, you don't even have to start. You can start by saying, hey, supplier. You know, try to address them, and then you can say something like, hey, name is Matt. Was wondering if you do quantity discounts for drop shipments. I don't even know if drop shipments is a word, but you know, I've been using it. They've been understanding, because there's a difference between them giving you quantity discount based off of drop shipping or just based off of you buying them in bulk. Because some suppliers just only give you discounts if you're buying it in bulk, sending it over here and shipping it out yourself. Now, if you do quantity discounts, you know, and then they might reply saying, oh, okay, yeah, we have to give it a week to see how much you're selling, and then we can issue that discount, you know, because they kind of want to see proof that you're actually going to sell a lot, so you can get that quantity discount. And then number two, another key to finding really, you know, great products on AliExpress is, you know, after you message them a little bit about quantity discount, you can start asking them, what are your best selling items? You can also ask them that again by saying during November, December, so you can start getting ready for the holidays. Any new products, just to get an idea, and just test all these products, and then you'll find a really good product from there. And so that's one way that you can really leverage your you know, your AliExpress account by using this information. and messaging the supplier, because back in the day, honestly, like finding a supplier was hard. Like you have to go on Google, search for a supplier, but like all of these suppliers are so easy. You can like message them, get their phone number. I have them on WhatsApp and whatnot, just messaging them about different products or whatnot. And it's just so incredible what the internet does and how this evolved, that I can talk to a manufacturer. I can like text them like it's nothing. I don't know if I'm texting, I'm probably not texting the manager, like the owner, but probably their sales team or their customer service or something like that. And so it's just so easy. And I hope this really helped you all to not only message them about quantity discount, but find other products that will sell. Now, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe, comment down below, and like this video. Thanks.